There are many questions I often wonder about Magic Mountain. Will Viper eventually turn pale white as it bakes in the sun as it goes 10 years without a paint job? Why is Batman being repainted? Why does Magic Mountain keep adding objectively shit coasters? Why are the support beams on Riddler's Revenge yellow? What the fuck is this color scheme? What was wrong with this? Why are people uploading coaster POVs that are incredibly nauseating to watch? Why is Goliath's chain lift speed so slow? In Six Flags Over Texas, Goliath's sister coaster, Titan, runs at a much faster chain lift speed at a BPM of 925 on average, whereas Goliath's chain lift speed runs at a BPM of 510 on average. Titan's chain lift speed has stayed the same throughout its entire lifespan. For Goliath, on the other hand, its chain lift used to not be this way. In fact, it used to be faster. This 510 BPM speed change was implemented on Goliath in roughly March of 2008. Prior to this, it had a chain lift speed of roughly 650 BPM. This isn't the only change that Six Flags has done to Goliath in the past. From when the ride opened in 2000 all the way to 2003, the mid-course brake run used to not slow down the train at all, causing the ride to go really fast through the helix. Given how the helix has always been intense even with the MCBR slowing down the train, I don't understand how anyone tolerated the ride at all at the time. So clearly, in 2003 going on, the MCBR slowed the train down more to make the helix less intense. Similarly, this could be the reason why they slowed down the chain lift, to make the ride's G-forces just slightly less intense. Goliath historically has always crawled over the top chain lift hill, but this chain lift slowdown speed does make it crawl a little bit slower. I mean, that's the best answer I could come up with. There are no other answers for this online, so this seems like the most logical answer, right?